I'm actually recording the intro after I recorded the video because I was reviewing the footage and the intro was kind of a little bit lame. Didn't look too good. But just to sum it up, today we went in, got a haircut. You know, you can tell, fresh fade. We went to Walmart to go grab a couple items, and then we spent a good 30 minutes at the river. So I really do hope y'all enjoy, and stay tuned for more, and see y'all in the video. So we just made it to where I'm getting a haircut at. We're gonna go in, we're gonna get a haircut, get a few clips of it, and then we're gonna head to Walmart. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Husband a boy. So he got his boy.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, that's why I said it was meant to be. He's my favorite thing in the world.
Yeah.
I guess for that.
Something's in here.
Today it's my pleasure to welcome Alan Greenspan
My God,
back to
I knew
official
I
service.
Greenspan remained in the post for almost 20
You
years.
knew Ronald Reagan?
The newsfed chairman, there was the
I got those two mixed up. They sound alike.
But his
Alright, so we just got done at the haircut, and you know, skin fade, you know, gotta have short hair for work. So now we're about to go head to Walmart, do a little bit of shopping, and then the real vlog begins when we go to the river. Get to get some good shots of the water, but we'll see you there. So we just made it to Walmart, about to go in here, get a couple things, and then gonna head to the river, get a couple photos, couple clips. But for now, we gotta go into Walmart, and we'll see you there. I'm gonna go grab a basket for my son. On the way to Walmart. Look at him.
He's so grumpy.
So grumpy. Yeah, we're just coming to grab a fan, something for my wife, and that's probably about it. We're gonna go. Probably take about 10 minutes. With her, probably 20. But I'll catch y'all guys later. What you doing, Booga? What you doing? Trying to look for the spinning car seat. We can't find one anywhere we look unless it's online. And if I'm being honest, I don't want to order online because you never know if it's gonna come in right or how it's gonna work. So we're trying to look in stores and can't find one in Walmart. Having a hard time. They got a good selection, but not what we're looking for. So if anybody has any suggestions, let me know. Got done shopping in Walmart. Only got 2 things. Surprisingly. 3 things, surprisingly. Every time I come here, it's like, you never know. You never know if we're gonna go away with 2 things or 5 things, but yep, we're about to head to the river and be able to take some good pictures, some good videos, and have a good time and all. But we'll see y'all there. Made it. We're about to go walk around. There's a little nature trail that we're gonna walk, and then be here for about 30 minutes. Sounds good. Yeah, but look at it. It's so beautiful. Nature. Being outdoors. So beautiful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we're gonna go do that for a little while. See a couple videos, take a couple pictures, and really enjoy the day. So let's go do that. Hmm? Just want to take a second to recognize how beautiful Missouri is. A lot of people complain about there's nothing to do in Missouri. That's because they just stay inside all day. If you like actually go out and look, it's pretty beautiful out here. We're gonna head back to the car. Got a few good videos and really got to take in the scenery. I really enjoyed it. Did you like it, Ben?
I really liked it. It
You
was
liked
really
it?
fun. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a lot of good things out here. You just have to actually go out and look.
And it's very gloomy, so it makes it like it makes your day better, you know.
Yeah, that is one thing. Even on a bad day, the weather is still beautiful out here. The water's clear. Sun's not out, but water's clear. It looks nice. I really enjoy coming out here and just spending the day. Just looking around. I mean, we're definitely going to be to more places. We haven't really been too far, but we plan on visiting a lot more places. So maybe next time next time we go out, we try to go visit some other places. I heard this place, Branson, has pretty nice water and would be pretty good to go and see. But other than that, that's about it for today. Appreciate it.